Hey y'all, it's your girl Raven. Thank you for tuning in. Welcome back to my channel. Over here we kiki, we chit chat, and we talk all things about makeup and whatnot. So if you're into that, you should definitely hit the subscribe button, hunty bunty. Ooh, 4:44 clocked. Today I wanted to show y'all some new goodies that I got from Fenty. Everybody's talking about that new Fenty Eaze drop. I went ahead and signed up for my little 15% off coupon on the Fenty website, and I went ahead and she upside down, and I went ahead and picked up these girls right here. I haven't even opened the packaging because I think it's so cute, and I just want to like give y'all a first initial reaction, some real tea. But the packaging is just so doggone cute. Like, girl, get into her. Look at her. So these products are obviously, I got the Eaze Drop blurring skin tint, and then I have the Gloss Balm Cream Double Take Lip Duo. I actually don't own any Fenty lip products. The only Fenty product that I actually own is that powder foundation that they have. I think what is it, like the Pro Filter Powder Matte Foundation. They also give you this cute little bandana that spells out Fenty if you spend $50 or more. So you know, Rihanna's giving you a free gift. Whatever the minimum is, you spend it. Like, why is that even a discussion? It doesn't need to be. Rihanna tells you to do something, you do it. So I thought I would just come on here and I would do my little Fenty review for y'all. Hold on, let me tie her up. Hold on one second. Okay, Riri, y'all, look at this. I just love how black and unapologetic and cultured Fenty's brand is. This is just screaming for the culture. Like, I don't know if it's the earrings, I don't know if it's the nails, the lashes, maybe it's everything, but this whole bandana, and it feels so nice. It's like, girl, you gave this to me. I mean, you got $50 out of me, so you ain't really like give it to me, but I mean, like, it's real cute. I wanted this to be like a first impressions kind of video where I can show you what the foundation looks like, the color, the coverage, everything from a first-hand basis. Never touched this product, never seen, never swatched it, none of the things. And so yeah, I just thought we could do our makeup together. We could kiki and chit chat a little bit like we do over here on this platform. Grab yourself a little glass of wine, a little coffee, a little tea, a little whatever you like to drink, and let's go ahead and get to the video. While my camera screen isn't looking crooked, the tripod that I have is a little more ghetto performing than I thought, but that's what happens when you get stuff off of Amazon and you're not really checking the reviews. So hopefully, you know, she's not giving you a neck kink from having to watch like this or like this. Like, I don't know, everything's looking pretty stable, so hopefully. So the thing about this Eaze Drop foundation is, I forget how many shades. Let's look it up real quick. Eaze Drop Fenty. Eaze Drop Fancy? No. Eaze Drop Fenty. So there's 25 flexible shades. If you go to the Fenty website, it specifies that there is a new Eaze Drop blurring skin tint. It's got light to medium coverage, blends and blurs to instant perfection, light as air, 25 flexible shades for all. Okay. It's looking like it's gonna match you from light with cool neutral undertones, and then we go all the way up to deep with neutral undertones. So you pretty much can use like the foundation shade match finder thing on the website, which is what I use. I have a really hard time. I know a lot of people do also with finding the right shade for their Fenty foundation. Shout out to my boo Derek Davis MUA. He had done a review and he matched up with the shades 15, I think 14 and 15. Child, I hope that's right. Don't let me be out here giving you the wrong information about Derek, because I'm so sorry about it if I am. So basically, I ended up looking at his shade and then looking at a couple other people's, taking the shade match finder. Girl, I was like, let's try to get this range as best as possible. And I like that the foundation doesn't seem to be that it has to be super spot on. That, you know, if you're like a 360, 350 or whatever, they're like, oh, you should wear shade 14, 15. Like, you kind of fall somewhere in between. If you know your Fenty Pro Filter shade, it seems like it's going to be a lot easier for you to find the perfect shade match in the Eaze Drop. But even if you don't, there are ways to go around that. So again, I got the shade 15. We're gonna hope for the best, girl. This Gloss Balm Cream and Double Take, this is a limited edition thing, I believe, or just like exclusive to the website. So I felt like for, I think it was about $28. The Eaze Drop was, I want to say around 25, because you know I had that 15% off coupon, hunty. So yeah, it was about 28 $25, something like that, give or take, but you get 2 full-size lip creams in here, and I don't really think you could beat that. So let's open this. Okay. Oh my god, this bottle is so cute, girl, for real. I like the feel of it. It's like plastic, but it don't feel like cheap, you know. I feel like I could have this in my makeup bag. When I pull it out, I'm like, boop, yeah, boop, yeah. I think what's so tight is like when my little brand, we get tagged in so many posts with Fenty. Ooh, let me shake this up first. And I swear I be thinking like, girl, you do Rihanna be on my page? You think she be on my page? No. It would be hype though. It's goals. It's definitely goals. All right, y'all. So I'm getting ready to try her out. Oh. Right. I know that was just like a little dab, but like, bitch, are you for real? Wait. No. Could it be, y'all? Could it be that I have finally found my perfect foundation match? Like, could it be? So I literally only put that little tiny swatch there. Now I have been using my self tanner lately. However, the treatments that I do on my face, like all of my like exfoliators and my scrubs and all that good stuff, my serums and all that, I'm pretty sure my tan has worn off of my face by now. So I feel pretty comfortable with this match being my natural complexion, or something I can wear when I'm a little bit tan. But let's see. Okay, let me just... Yeah.
We're getting ready to go to Red Lobster. You want anything?
No, thank you.
Okay, we'll be back.
Okay. Look at how it's starting to cover all my little dark spots. Girl, she is blending into Miss Neck flawlessly. Y'all, this foundation feels really good too. Just gonna show y'all a little demo all over real quick. All right, y'all saw that live. I am really praying that the lighting is working in my favor, because y'all, this is literally just the first layer. If I would have used a brush, my consistency, my coverage would have been even heavier. Not heavy, but it would have been a little bit more full coverage. Using a sponge is always going to dilute your product, so just know that. For me, that's perfect, especially because we all masked up anyway. When I go out, like, I would just do this, do a little under eye concealer, and then I would put a mask on anyway. Like, I would probably conceal and correct some, but I don't be too worried about it. But yeah, if I'm going out or like taking pictures or something, I'll take a little bit more time to get my skin like as even as and flawless as I want it to look. Do you see? Like, honey, this is so beautiful, and it feels like, I don't want to just like rub my fingers on my face, you know, bacteria, you know what I'm saying, sis? But like, oh my gosh, I really like this finish. I really like this finish. Okay, we're gonna do one more layer just to see what it does look like layering, because it is a light to medium coverage. Let's see exactly what that means to Fenty. Let's see how buildable it really is. I think I might actually build it up with the brush and then blend it out with the sponge. So be right back. Let me grab my little brush real quick. Okay, so I got a little painter style foundation brush. I'm just taking this little tiny bit on my brush, and then I'm literally just going to paint this on. Y'all, like, I know, like, I obviously don't have like all my correctors and stuff, so I'm probably looking a little ashy gray here. Don't mind that. Just look at the color match. I feel like for the first time in months, I have the perfect color match. Who the is that keeps calling me every day? Bitch, I don't know nobody in Texas. Why are you calling me every day? Because of the coverage of the foundation, because of the formula. I don't think I'm going to get much more coverage than this. I think if I want much more coverage, I'm going to have to use a heavier foundation, a concealer, corrector. You're going to have to build up in your own way, and I think that makes perfect sense. That was the whole benefit of this foundation. Packaging, absolutely love. Coverage, absolutely love. Shade, loving it, loving it, loving it, loving it. Let's see how it's going to perform with my other products. I'm actually going to do the rest of my face off of camera. I don't feel like it's really important to go through those steps and show all the products I'm going to use when the whole purpose was just to focus on this foundation. But then I guess what I could do is I'll save my lips for last, and then we can do the lips together on camera. We'll see how this gloss bomb performs and if you need to buy it, but most likely you need to buy it because it's like, it's hella cute if nothing else. Okay, y'all, I just wanted to show you what my skin is looking like with a couple of my normal products layered on top. I'm still gonna like highlight under my eyes a little bit. You know, I like to layer on my concealer, honey. You just can't have too much. And I'm going to contour or bronze a little bit. Probably just bronze because I ain't going nowhere, girl. Like, Club Instagram done seen this beat 1,000,001 times, so I'm not tripping too much. But yeah, I just wanted to show y'all what it's looking like because it's not feeling heavy. I'm really, really feeling this. Alright, so now that my makeup is done for the most part, we're gonna go ahead and get into these Gloss Bomb lip creams. I'm gonna do some swatches on my wrist for y'all just to see what these girls are looking like. This one we got Cupcake in, and then we have, who is she? Bubble Binge. These names are so cute. Oh my gosh, this Bubble Binge, she's actually really, really cute. Okay, so with this makeup look, I'm tempted to use both of them, but oh, we definitely gonna use Cupcake in. Okay, so I already got my little lip liner on, but before we do that, let me just swatch these. Let me just swatch these for y'all real quick. We got Bubble Binge. Okay, Miss Blue Tone Pink. She's definitely giving me Cotton Candy Girl vibes. Sorry, that's my cat acting a damn fool in the background. Hi. Hi, mama. You want to say hi? Look at me trying to hold my arm up still. You want to say hi? Say hey. Say hey, y'all. My mama's... Oh! You came over here bothering me with all this cat hair. Alright, let's watch Cupcake in. Okay. She's giving like a mauve. Is that how you say it? Final verdict. I really like how my makeup turned out today. I feel like I could actually go somewhere and not be like super worried about making sure my foundation isn't looking too crazy in the direct sunlight. I'm not super orange and tan in the face and then not matching up in my neck or the rest of my body, or vice versa. I'm not feeling like really ashy in the face and my body is too warm. I'm feeling very well balanced. My skin is looking really good to me. Like, I'm so impressed. I'm absolutely impressed and in love with this foundation. I really, 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 really like how everything turned out. And let's talk about this Gloss Bomb cream, this Gloss Bomb lip cream. This feels really, really good. It feels like what a lip cream should feel like. It smells good and feels good. It doesn't taste good. It's giving me like a taste of, what is that, child? There's like a certain lip gloss that I'm trying to think of. It just has that, oh girl. I don't know if I'll be kissing all on Bay if I had one, but let's say I did. I don't know if I'll be kissing all on him. Wasting my Fenty gloss, wasting my Fenty Gloss Bomb. You need to go ahead and get this. Everybody needs this product. Everybody needs this product. Everybody needs this product. Like, this is just my new jam. This is my new jam, and I am very, very happy that I sat down and I did my makeup on today. Actually, you know what, my makeup is missing something. Hold on real quick. Booyah, honey, I was missing a little bit of my inner corner highlights. Like, I can't believe that y'all just let me sit here with no inner corner highlight. I thought we was friends. But it's okay, because I clocked myself before y'all could even, so it don't matter. I just can't stop staring at my makeup. Like, I love it so much. I love it so much, y'all. It's been a while since I have been, like, obsessed with my makeup. So, honey, just please understand where I'm coming from, girl. Because I've been having to use, y'all done peep my last couple videos now. I done had to mix my LA Girl correctors because everything was too warm, too dark, too orange, too red. So I've been having to customize my foundations, but this I did not have to do anything to it except for what I wanted to do as far as like layering my products up some more. So I'm just loving it. I'm really loving it. 10 out of 10 out of 10 for this foundation. I have no complaints. The only thing that I cannot speak on is the long wear, the longevity of this foundation, and how it's going to hold up in high heat and humidity, because we ain't just got none of those things right now. Time is not on our side. We just put this on. I've only been here with y'all for like a little bit of an hour or so. I don't know how long this video will be once it gets edited and cut down. And we sure ain't got no heat and humidity on today. So when that time comes, follow me on Instagram, or maybe I'll do a little community post and I will just pop up and let y'all know how this girl continues to hold up as I wear her throughout this spring and summer. But yeah, I'm really, really happy. I really hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. Let me know what you think down in the comments below. Do you have this foundation? Are you gonna pick it up? What's your tea, sis? Let me know. As always, thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today, and I will see you on the next video. Bye.